Hello children, welcome to you in the bio class. Children, you are studying about Mendel's principle of inheritance. I have taught you Gregor John Mendel was the first scientist to explain the mechanism of transmission of characters from parents to the offspring, generation after generation. Therefore, Gregor John Mendel is called the father of genetics. Children, you have to study Mendel's experiment. Mendel carried out his experiment on the golden pea Pygium sativum in his monastery garden. He chose 7 pair of contrasting characters of pea plant. In that 7 pair of contrasting character, first character is height of the plant. So each character has 2 traits. One is dominant and other is recessive. In the plant height, dominant is tall and recessive is dwarf. Position of flower, second character. In that dominant is axial position of flower and recessive is terminal. Third is flower color. In the color of flower, dominant is red and recessive is white. Shape of pod, that is inflated and constricted. Pod color, dominant is green and recessive is yellow. Seed shape, dominant is round and recessive is white. Seed coat color, dominant is yellow and recessive is green. So Mendel studied these 7 pairs of contrasting characters and he performed experiment. So Mendel selected for his experiment golden pea Pygium sativum. So it is very important to know why Gregor John Mendel had selected golden pea. First point is pea were available in many pure breeding varieties. So pea were available in many pure breeding varieties. Second point is peas are self-pollinated and flowers are bisexual. Peas are self-pollinating flower and flowers are bisexual. Third point is pea flowers could easily be cross-pollinated by hand. Fourth point is hybrids were perfectly fertile. In some cases, in some other plants, it was found when hybrids were produced, they are infertile. But in the case of the pea plant, hybrids were perfectly fertile. Pea plants have number of contrasting characters. Contrasting characters as height of the plant, tall and dwarf. Position of flower, axial, terminal. Color of flower, red, white. Shape of pod, inflated, constricted. Pod color, green, yellow. Shape of seed, round, wrinkled. Color of seed coat, yellow, green. So these are the contrasting characters. So pea plants have number of contrasting characters. Pea plants have short period of growth. So due to these reasons, Gregor John Mendel selected pea plants for his experiment. Mendel performed experiment in 3 steps. In the first step is selection of pure breeding form of all the traits. Second step is hybridization. Hybridization means cross pollination of true breeding plants with contrasting characters. Third is self pollination of F1 plants. Hybrid plants of F1 generation were allowed self pollination. So, Mendel performed experiments of hybridization. So, that is experiments in plant hybridization. Mendel conducted experiments taking one pair of contrasting characters, that is monohybrid cross. So you can define monohybrid cross, a cross between two pure breeding different variety of organisms taking the alternative traits of one single characters. So single character, as you are taking height of the plant, then its alternative traits are tall and dwarf. Like this, position of flower is the character, then its traits are alternative traits are axial and terminal. So like this, when a cross between two pure breeding different varieties of the organisms taking the different alternative traits of one single character is called monohybrid cross. Like this, when two pairs of contrasting characters, dihybrid cross. So you can define dihybrid cross, a cross between two parents taking alternative traits of two different characters. If more than two different characters has taken, then that is called polyhybrid cross. So Gregor John Mendel took the alternative traits of one character, that is the monohybrid cross, alternative traits of two characters, that is dihybrid cross, alternative traits of three characters or more than three, that is called polyhybrid cross. Now, children, you have to study about the experiment of Gregor John Mendel. So, Gregor John Mendel took Gregor John Mendel selected alternative traits of one character. So, that is called monohybrid cross. So in the monohybrid cross, only one character is considered, and in dihybrid cross, two characters, and in polyhybrid cross, more than two.